Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an election card online. Applying for your election card is a straightforward process that ensures your right to vote. We will guide you through each step, from checking your eligibility and gathering necessary documents to submitting your application digitally. You will also learn how to track its progress and what to expect once approved. Let's get started on securing your participation in future elections with ease. To begin, ensure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and a resident of the country. For your application, you will need a few key documents. Prepare a valid proof of identity, such as your passport or a driving license. Additionally, have a proof of address ready, like a recent utility bill or a rental agreement. Don't forget a clear, recent passport-sized photograph. Now let's walk through the online application process. First, navigate to the official Election Commission website. You will need to register as a new user, creating a unique username and password. Once registered, locate and fill out the application form, ensuring all fields are accurately completed. Next, upload clear, scanned copies of your identity, address proof, and photograph. Finally, review all the information thoroughly before submitting your application. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a unique reference number. Keep this number safe, as it is crucial for tracking your application's progress on the website. The election authorities may conduct a field verification to confirm the details you provided. Upon successful verification and approval, your official election card will be printed and dispatched. Expect it to be delivered directly to your registered residential address within a few weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.